Just minutes remaining. Just minutes remaining. Just minutes remaining. All right, so we have the major news that's coming up by this 2:30 p.m. and core PPI, right? So the major news that's coming up by this 2:30 p.m. and core PPI, right? So the major news that's coming up by this 2:30 p.m. and core PPI, right? So the major news that's coming up by this so we are starting with this Euro USD this morning. I mean GPP, JPY. Yesterday I called on this trade. I don't know how many of us get into the trade. This USD JPY. You can see that I specifically made it yesterday that price will come to purge that liquidity above that high. You can see no price were here yesterday. Price were here yesterday. This as if the market will be selling, and I said there's a liquidity that built up here that I'm seeing that price with purge liquidity. You can see, and I called out that yesterday, some of us that if you want to do a sell limit, I should do a sell limit here, do a sell limit here. So even myself, I forgot to do the sell limit. But later when I opened my laptop, I saw that okay. When I saw price has mitigate our entry, and then there's this bearish engulfing candle 1 hour. So I just entered the trade from there. So USD JPY is on it, we are on it already. So I just want to give an update. I don't know if anybody do that selling yesterday. Do you have anybody that did that selling yesterday? Please, if you are on the trade, just let me know.
Sir. No, sir. Go on, sir.
Good morning.
I'm not on this.
Okay, I'm not in. I see anyone. Is anyone on the trade? Anyone on the trade? So if you need them on the chat box. So it's a potential trade that it may deliver, but it depends on the news today. And I make it a breakdown yesterday. That number one, what we want to see is we have come to a serious supply zone, and price take out the liquidity above this high, right? That it was taking. And not only that, price trading below this yearly open, right? So, and we have, on daily, in a major key zone like this, when you see a bearish reversal like this, it tends to hold. So this, some of you know that I don't joke with a golfing candle, whether bearish or bullish. So all I want to see, especially when it happens on a daily time frame. So with this engulfing candle yesterday, gave me confidence that we may roll down. So let's see. It depends on the market or everything alignment for this trade to roll down at least to this monthly open here, this support zone. But the news I can't say because we don't control the market. But for the trade itself, it's a good trade, and at least we are seeing it down there. So I'm on the trade, and let's see how the trade will go. it is too late for you to jump enter the trade now because we have news ahead of us. Don't jump enter so that you know have a pullback. So after the news, if there's a pullback and it did not take out the high, so that may be opportunity for you to sell. So I have two trades in mind. So this is for the secondary. The first one is that our GBP shelf. Let's see the update on that. That one is not doing well for now. You know, I don't know what's happening to shelf. So this trade, well, my stop loss has not been hit. I think my stop loss is if you hit stop loss, I'll let it to go. But and though everything the trade has meet all the criteria that we should roll downward. So, but I don't know the reason why it's just doing what it's doing. So this is our swing high, and that's why my stop loss. And this is our swing low. So yesterday when we came, we saw some bearish, at least with this bearish engulfing candle here was a nice one. So we enter here, I call it sell from yesterday. We're in profit before you know, price bounce up again. So price is still maintaining what? A bullish, you can see we are still breaking structure. So we are still breaking structure, you can see. So and that's the reason. So, and that's why this day I love to see the market to supply before I look for a sell. And for a supply turn to a demand before I look for a buy. So now, so we can see now for a proper sell, we need price to sell. No, this is the low that go to that high. So we need price to sell up like this. So this, if we can, in the real future, if we see something like this, so that would be a really, that would be the game changer for that GBP share. So some of us are inside, don't shift your stop loss. If you are inside, don't shift your stop loss. If it hits, let it hit. Okay. Let the stop loss hit. Then when it hits, like myself, I'm in a drawdown. If it hits, let it hit. We will now wait for a proper sell direction for this change. Where price begin to break, turn to bearish. So and it may not still, because if this thing, well, they will do something, they may do one or two things. They may come to sweep this liquidity, right? They will purge up, sweep this liquidity, and then they will reverse. That's our stop loss will be hit, right? Our stop loss will be hit. So I don't mind me, because if you say what to shift stop loss, what does continue up? We have this the 3 month open. So if this thing, if you go and shift your stop loss and it continue bullish, then it means that the next reversal place will be this place. And that place, I can see this, I can see a kind of supply zone above that place. So that is the next supply zone. The reason it's a supply zone for me is that we have this last bullish candle, we have this bearish candle that form like a form of a little structural break here, right? So, and we have not only that, we have an imbalance that is stationing our head. So you can see that this imbalance here has not been mitigated at all. So whatever that made this play not hold, price is coming here. So please don't shift stop loss. Leave it. If this place doesn't hold, price is coming here. I'll wait. I can even use annoyance then, even do sell limit around that 3 month open, right? Because I know that place is it's a very key resistance zone that there's nothing, 80% that price will roll down from that place is very sure. So that would not be maybe target 2 to 1 or 3 like this. So let's see the development, what will happen here. So that's the update on GPP shelf, those of us that are still inside, we may likely hit stop loss and we may not hit. And that was lead me to the same thing, USD shelf. So USD, thank God that yesterday we are still waiting for USD shelf. Overall USD shelf, this guy is more of a bullish on USD shelf. So before we can sell, we need to see a clear direction. Now, this is the last high that price created before. On a higher time frame, this guy is more of ranging market. You can see, but we can still get trade inside. So on 4 hours, we have that price came, clear this inducement, tap into this, moved up. So if price is going to return back from this supply zone also, then internally, let's go to 2 hours time frame. Internally now we are still bullish. We are bullish on this smaller time frame. And this is what our last break of structure, right? We have this. Now we have this low, we have this high, a little sweep. This one is giving us low. So it's better we wait for this low. But I will love this low. I love this entire low to be purged. So if we go to 4 hours back, that is the low we are going to work with because that is the low that breaks structure. So this low now, so for this guy to sell for now, where it is now is 1, 2 thing with our price trade, break that low, then this 3 month can be our supply zone. Price can trade back to this low. That is one. Then secondly, maybe this guy purge up again. Here will become the next low. Once we have another high, this one, come back here. Here will come the second low. Then we just want to see this bullish change to bearish before we engage in this. Just like what happened here. This is where we have low. We have a shifting market structure here. You can see that engulfing candle here. We have this low. We have this high. We have this low. Price shifting market structure. Then we have it move. So since then, we have been doing what? We have been moving up. So we have been moving up. We have been moving up. So buyers are in control. Buyers are in control. You can see. So buyers are still in control. We want to wait for like this before we can say, okay, we want to sell USD share. Please don't be hurried. And this is not time for you to buy it. If you are buying USD share, you are buying to resistance, which is not good. So be patient and let all this trade play out. So that will move on to gold. Gold. I love what gold is doing now, right? No, I'll be advocating that gold is going to be bullish. That are still bullish on gold. And I've been advocating for it for a long time. I think one of my account management, I have entry here almost since last week when the guy was ranging. But this month, I tell you 0.01. Oh, I closed that trade, 2 positions, about $100. I closed the 2 positions about $220. It's 0.01. That's what gold can do. If you catch gold very well in a strategic place. So all these pairs, when you patient and catch them, just allow them. That's over 1,000 pips from here. From here, 1,000 pips. I closed it here this morning. So we are still looking for another entry. I closed it because I know that gold will do a pullback. So I don't want to waste that 1,000 pips like that. You not want to 200 pips in my eye. So this is where we break structure down, and here we extend to the upside. So gold came, mitigate this demand zone. So demand was in control here, right? Again now, price move up, came down, increase demand, and here we have a series of consolidations around here. Just what happened here, you can see, we move. Now, yesterday we were here when I said, don't trade gold, they allow gold to close above that high. So now, finally now, internally, we have closed above that high. So let's draw to one more time frame down. This is 1 hour time frame. So now we have done what? We have bricked internal structure on 1 hour here, right? So, okay, because of the news, I will not love us to engage gold now. So what we can, the best thing we can wait if gold can come down. So this is our swing low to a swing high. So I will love gold again to engage gold after the news. If it can come down, anything around here, then I will look for what? Another position. It may be 0.01, I don't mind. So another position on that place. So that is what I'm looking at gold. Continue bullish on gold. This place may be an inducement for price. Now, what price is due currently? I don't want to be deceived by price. If you go to 15-minute time frame, price is behaving like it want to fly, but no, it cannot escape me after taking liquidity from this low. So people that trade 15-minute time frame now, you can see a lot of retail traders have dropped. This buy is people that is buying it. So a lot of retail traders have what? Job enter this buy now. But the thing, they were surprised that it will trick them. Why? We still have, number one, look at this. We have a big gap here. That's a big gap there. Then here, this is where we have consolidation before move. So at least here is that place, this low. This low here is a kind of demand zone. So at least if I want to do early buy, at least maybe first position, gold should come here. Come to this demand, liquidate. Okay, this one we have a fair value. So this demand zone may be a valid demand for us to, if we want to look for a buy on gold, right? So in summary of our gold, I will position for what? Love a buy opportunity on gold. But I want to see the result of the news. And if it feels to come down, let it go. Maybe we break up, then another break another structure. But overall, as I've said, this is draw liquidity for gold. First draw liquidity, and this equal high here is another word, draw liquidity for gold. So because of these two things, I'm bullish on gold. I did buy gold, not to sell gold. So that is my opinion for gold. The same thing happen on silver. Silver. Same thing happen on silver. So silver, we have closed bill above this descending channel. So anything to pull back, maybe back to this weekly opening, I would love to buy silver again. And this is the draw liquidity on silver. So both gold and silver is a very good thing that is going to play out, and it goes to be, if you have a position, you're going to make good money from that position. Just be patient, cash it very low, and that will be all. Right, so we have done gold, we have done silver, we have done UJ, we have done Gbpusd, we have done USD chef. Let's do BTC. BTC. So let's do BTC. So BTC is the guy is bearish. As long we are trading below this yearly open. So the worst thing this can do, maybe buy to this yearly open and it will crash. So for now, let's go to 4 hours. Okay, and this is 4 hours. So BTC is bearish. You can see breaking structure, breaking structure. So we are more bearish. So any pullback on BTC is a opportunity word to short BTC. So I will not encourage buy on BTC for now. The market is bearish. So that will concern BTC, the Nasdaq, NAS 100. NAS 100, a bullish here. We have a bullish yesterday. So NAS 100 on daily, this guy is bullish. So, and that's why I remain bullish on NAS 100. I have a position yesterday, but I closed it early and the market now move. So we have price. You can see how price came back, mitigate this zone. Now, so this guy is bullish. Before the end of the year, we may see price trading to this high. So price has traded above weekly open and 3-month open. So what we'll do now is New York time. This market move more on New York. So on New York time now, if you trade Nasdaq, S&P 500 and US 30, they move in the same format. So what's bring this thing down now? See this fair value gap, it will bounce price down. So wait for price around this zone during New York time. Wait for price around that zone. So wait for price around this zone for a buy. Wait for price around that zone for New York. So that is for Nasdaq, S&P 500, and then US 30 move together. You go and check the chart. So that is, I'm more comfortable to buy all this currency pair than to sell. Now that we are trading above the 3-month open on daily basis, so we'll position for more buy on a buy opportunity. All right, so we have done all the commodities and stocks and crypto. So let's look at some of the USD pairs. We'll start with Euro USD. This one, there's nothing here. It's waiting for news. This guy is waiting for news. So we'll just wait and see what the news we tended to do. So this guy waiting for news. So for me, I still hold my reservation on Euro USD. It's our last break of structure. This guy has not break structure. So this low is still what? A valid low because we have not break structure yet. So this person remains our swing high and our swing low. So I still have my reservation of liquidity above that high. So in the nearest future, if we see price traded up, then price may come to take out liquidity. Then before we now begin to sell again. So on Euro USD for now, I'll just fold my hand and look forward. I want to see a clear direction on Euro USD. Or better still, let price break. So here will become a break of structure. Then here come a supply zone that we cannot trade down. So whether price break and here become a break of structure, then here will become our swing high. So if we break structure now, we'll move swing high from that high. Here will become what? Our swing high. And the next low will become our swing low. But as it is now, this is still our swing high because we have not what? Break structure. So Euro USD is ranging now. Maybe towards this PPI news that is coming. So let's wait. Let's not hurry to take trade on. And if that news against dollar, this guy will fly up. If he fly up, I will not buy it. I will better wait for what? Maybe I will regard this one then as a trend line liquidity. Yes. So this guy have formed a trend line liquidity. So I wait for this trend line liquidity to be liquidated and look for a sell opportunity as long we did not close above this high, which is standing about this 3-month open. As long we are trading below this thing, I'll still look for a bearish on Euro USD. That takes us to GBP USD. So this one now, the same thing is playing out on GBP USD. Daily is still bearish, and we are still in a discount zone. So these are swing high and these are swing low. These are shifting market structure. So all we are waiting for, price come to premium, and we can look for what? So opportunity to what? To sell. But at this now, if we have this guy break this consolidation, here will become what? A demand. So we can look for a buy here that will take us there. So looking for a buy, a counter buy around here. If this formation happen, it will be very, very good and profitable counter trade. So that is if price break, give us a change of character. Now, what do we have? We have, so let me disregard all this small high, right? What do we have now? On 4 hours, let's look at it together. So we have this low, we have this high. So this is most swing low above all this low. So we regard this low as our most swing low, our most swing high. So our most swing high now, what will happen? It break our most swing low, close down. So here become a valid high and our valid low. So what do we want to see now? So everything here is one low. And now price give us this, price give us this. So we need to see if we need to see something, a break above. The here will become what? A minor change of character. The here will become a demand. Then we can look for a buy, maybe back to this 3-month open for our target. Or price close above it. And I can see some trend line liquidity that is sitting here. There's a trend line liquidity that is sitting here there. So let's see the way this guy will unfold. But for now, don't be deceived by this bullish move that is going on. Never, no enter here to is buying. Don't do that for now. Before you buy, price need to take out that high. Then here will not become a demand. So you cannot look for a buy here. Your stop loss will come below. Then you target a good profit trade. So that is for GU all hand on the desk. Right. So USD card, okay. USD card, we are bullish. We are still bullish on this guy. And I will continue looking for a buy. This is where we have what? Our last break of structure on this guy. So price came tapping into this fair value gap by taking out this liquidity above these lows. You can see immediately they take out liquidity, the reverse price. This guy will always come to seek for liquidity. So we have buy side liquidity above that high. They've not taken it yet. So any pullback, it will be a good place to continue to look for a buy. So we are buying as we break internal structure. So if all they seek that liquidity, if buy occur there, then that would be opportunity for us to look for a buy opportunity. You don't want story that touch that, yes, so I don't want to. So if trade want to lose, if you want to hit stop loss, we know that it's beyond us. That we have done everything we need to do, but just like that GPP chef, if he hits my stop loss, I have nothing to worry because everything I've done, everything I need to do, check everything. So allow the trade to play out. If you have any tree you want me to look at, you can point it at this thing as I'm beginning to round up. AUD is just in a messy position. Price has come to, you can see this demand zone, price tap into it. So for now, we just look at, we need something to give us a directions. You can see that I mark this liquidity here, they've come, they seek that equal low. So let's see if you see a good bullish opportunity, then that would be very good to buy. We can buy. So, but we need to see a direction, right? We need to see a direction on 4 hours. So before we can engage in buying this guy. For now, no direction. Likewise, NZD-USD. Price is currently sitting at yearly opening. So any bullish evidence around here, then we can, that means this place will hold price. But for now, we are still bearish. And everything here is still what? A supply zone that when price coming, a sell can happen. So on these guys, we fold our hand and see if we see price trade break this high, then that will be a reversal for this guy. But for now, we are still bearish. AUD chef, Euro chef, KJPY. Okay, AUD chef. AUD chef. This guy is so annoyed. I predicted that this guy will roll here, but see what he's doing. So, Bridget, this AUD chef, I have nothing to say for now. The guy is just, this November, October, November, the price market is just, the range of market is so annoying. You can see what is moving. But I can still tell you, this guy has created a low here. This guy can still roll down. But for now, it's just in the middle of ocean. There's nothing to make here. So just leave this guy alone. That's Euro chef. Chef is like chef is weak. I don't know what's happened to chef. I don't know what happened to chef. Chef is weak. Chef is weak naturally. So that's why I know that GPP chef will likely hit stop loss because chef is weak. So you see Euro chef also. Go and look anything chef, their chef is like weak. So Euro chef, I will be putting eye on this. I still love selling it. Right? So we have now, in this case, this guy have given us a break of structure here. So this guy is still selling. No matter what is all this grad is doing, it's still selling. So this is our last break of structure. We have not changed character yet. So we have break of structure. Now, you can see all these people, they create a high, which is an inducement here. And now you can see what happened. They create this high, move price down, break structure. But now they have coming back. So a lot of people now who have used this place what as a buy, as a sell opportunity, because since we break structure, here is supposed to be our high. But now what I can see now that inducement. So Bridget, look, went down to this. Look at this high, this place. This is sell will happen as price enter. It's like this 3-month open, this zone. So put your eye on that zone. Put your eye on that zone. So that is where you want to wait for shifting market structure, maybe 1 hour or 15 minutes, and sell from. So you can see they've liquidated all this high that caused liquidity they're going to liquidate it and tapping. So when you see price rejecting this 3-month open, if you see, especially on daily, if you see a bearish engulfing candle around here, myself, I will be willing to sell. So that is it. And that is the same thing that's going to happen on that GPP shelf. I'll wait for bearish engulfing candle to happen on daily before anything other I engage in that sell. Lastly, CAD JPY that you pointed out. JPY, I love what JPY is doing. JPY is selling, giving us some kind of pullback. So this one is bullish though, but when price trade to this yearly open, there will maybe caution. If you see bullish evidence around there, then we'll continue looking for a buy. So gentlemen and ladies, thank you for your time. I think this is where we end today's class. So in summary, USJPY. So USJPY is bearish. We're already on it. So we just pray that it give us momentum. Not because before you know now, the thing will reverse again. Right there, we look at gold. Look, we are looking for a buy opportunity on gold. We look for a buy opportunity on gold. But I just want that news. Don't want to enter any market before the news now. It's almost 11. So by New York time, we look for a buy opportunity on this guy. Thank you. We see you again. We talk after the news on the groups. See you and bye for now, everyone.